नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University नांदेड. Good morning all the student of class BSc-SY, subject Zoology, paper number 7, name of the paper Comparative Anatomy and Physiology, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd, Nutrition. Today's topic is fat soluble vitamin. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the vitamins. Definition of vitamins, and also we see generally vitamins, there are the two types: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. In this period, we detail see about the fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins are generally vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. One by one, we see this fat soluble vitamin. Generally also in the starting period, we give the idea about which vitamin is called fat soluble vitamin or why they called the fat soluble vitamin. Thus, one by one, we see the vitamin. Thus, first vitamin is the vitamin A. Generally, their chemistry, vitamin A, they are the retinol. Vitamin A alcohol, retinol, vitamin A aldehyde and retionic acid, vitamin A acid. Generally, they are the retinol. That is, they made the retinol and retinoic acid. They are composed of beta ionic ring, that is also called methyl substituted cyclohexynyl ring, and side chain connecting the isoprene units with the 4 conjugated double bonds. Due to presence of double bonds is isoprenoid side chain. Vitamin A exhibit cis trans, and is also called geometric isomerism. Due to the presence of 4 double bonds, vitamin A can be oxidized by air or the light slowly. Also, the structure of this vitamin. Generally, this vitamin, in nature, this vitamin A occurs in the form of retinol ester. Generally, they are found in the foods of animal origin. In the form of carotene, they are found in the plant foods as a provitamin. Generally, in nature, vitamin A occurs in the two forms: retinoester and carotene. Retinoester found in the animal origin, and carotene, they are found in the plant as a provitamin. Absorption of vitamin A in the intestine. Generally, in the intestine, pancreatic esterase hydrolyzes retinol ester present in the diet to retinol and free fatty acid in the presence of bile salt. Retinol is absorbed by mucosal cell. Dietary beta carotene is cleaved into the two molecules of retinol by a dioxygenase present in the intestinal mucosal. It is transported by the lipoprotein. So generally, this absorption of vitamin, they are formed in the intestine, pancreas, retinol and color vision. 3 light sensitive pigments present in the cones are responsible for the color vision. They are the phosphorocene iodopsin, and cyanopsin. All three pigments contain 11-cis-retinol and are sensitive to red color, green color, and blue color respectively. When the photon, or it is also called light, strikes retina, depending on the color of the light, a particular pigment is bleached. This leads to the generation of nerve impulse and perception of color by brain. Defective apoprotein production due to the faulty genes leads to the color blindness. Generally, this vitamin A. Generally, what is the function of vitamin A? This vitamin A have the three major different functions. They to form three major retinoids: retinol, and retinoic acid. They to form the unique function. First, retinol is required for the normal and color vision. Retinol is required for normal and color vision. Retinol is required for reproduction and growth. Retinol also required for the differentiation and function as a steroid hormone. Retinoic acid is required for the synthesis of glycoprotein or the mucopolysaccharides. Retinoic acid also acts as a steroid hormone. It also promotes growth and differentiation. Retinol and retinoic acids are involved in the regulation of gene expression. Thus, this vitamin A is important to form the various function. When these vitamin A they to form the deficiency, they also to form the different diseases. First deficiency of vitamin A is called night blindness. Generally, night blindness they are found in early stages. The affected individual is not able to see clearly in the dim light or the night due to block in the resynthesis of rhodopsin. In the latter stage of deficiency, the affected individual cannot see or read in the dim light. Thus, loss of night vision, or it is also called night blindness, is the major initial symptom of vitamin A deficiency. Night blindness in the adult or in the preschool children is common. In countries where intake of vitamin A is low. This is the first deficiency, night blindness. Second deficiency of vitamin A, they to form growth of bone and formation of tooth are defective. Growth of bone and formation of tooth are defective. Thick and long bones are formed. Third deficiency, nerve growth also affected. Degeneration of myelin sheath occurs. Also, the fourth deficiency of vitamin A, keratinization of mucose-secreting epithelial cells. That is also called hyperkeratosis. Keratinization of mucose-secreting epithelial cells. That is also called hyperkeratosis. Lining respiratory tract and reproductive tract occurs. Mucus secretion by the salivary and lacrimal gland is also affected. Next deficiency is deposition of keratin in the skin. It is also called xeroderma. Deposition of keratin in the skin gives rise to characteristics toad skin appearance. Next deficiency is the reproductive disorders like the testicular degeneration, reabsorption, of foetus or foetal malformation are observed. Also, the next deficiency is the degenerative changes in the kidney. These are the different function of vitamin D. Vitamin A, different sources of vitamin A. We get the vitamin A. Animal sources, also the plant sources. Vitamin A get from animal sources like generally marine fish oils like the Hollywood liver oil, cod liver oil and shark liver oil are excellent source. Liver of sheep or goat is also the excellent source. Butter, eggs and milk are the good sources. Generally, freshwater fish contain the vitamin A2, that is also called dehydroretinol, which is only 40% active. Generally, this vitamin A get from these different animal. Then also vitamin A get from the plant sources. In the plant foods, vitamin A is present as a carotene. Plant oil like red palm oil is the excellent source. Leafy vegetables, coriander leaves, curry leaves, spinach and cabbage are the good sources. Also the yellow vegetables like the carrot, pumpkin and sweet potato and ripe tomatoes also contain the appreciable amount of vitamin A. Also vitamin A is found in fruits. Yellow pigmented fruits, papaya, mango, jackfruit, banana and oranges also contain vitamin A in the good amount. Thus, in this period, we see the vitamin A, their sources, their deficiency, their structure in this period. Next period, we see the next vitamin. Yes, goodbye the student.